Hello, welcome to Someday Farm. I'm Stephen Watson, and here is today's Tàijíquán Tip. So you may have a class, you may have a time when you log in and review the video lessons from your teacher, or put your DVD in and practice along. You may have a workshop that you attend, festival or something like that, and that's your study time, that's your Tai Chi time. But today's tip is about as simple as it gets. Practice your Tàijíquán. It doesn't mean class time, it doesn't mean study time, it means practice. It means work on what it is that you've been instructed on, something that you know, that you have been given an understanding of, and work on that. Just practice. That may not seem like a necessary lesson for you, but for many people it is. They come to class and they haven't practiced. The last time they did Tai Chi, maybe even thought about Tai Chi, was their last class. And this may come as a surprise to some of you, but the practice of Tàijíquán is where the fruits of Tàijíquán are born. Not from the study of it, only from the practice. So practice, practice, practice. And thank you. Love. Here are all the ways you can help besides online reviews and subscriptions. Thank you, thank you, thank you.